We are going to take you back to Finnstrom. There you see the fire burning on the ridge there, just whipped by those by the high winds, the dark smoke, and the poor air quality.
And the key to see there is that those flames are not going up.
No,
they are going
down.
Straight down across the fuel that they are burning. Cara, Finnstrom is at Foothill in Andorra, not far from Sunset. Cara, what do you have?
Yeah, you can see behind us here this home that we have been watching really for about an hour and a half now. We've been on this block because they've lost a number of homes. But Jeff, Sharon, the good news is they've been able to save many more. You can see the two homes that are burning there. Firefighters have really staged all around those homes, trying to just let those burn down and protect the other homes here, because they say there's really nothing they can do to overcome and get those flames out with the windy conditions that we have here right now. The other battle they have been dealing with is a shortage of water. So the trucks here keep leaving. They keep going to what they say to town, into the city to get water, and then they come back because they are not able to get water from sources here. You can see one of them dragging a hose up the street. So dealing with water shortages, dealing with the winds. And if we pan up, you can see the black smoke that has continued just to pour out over this neighborhood. That's also caused some visibility issues here. We've talked with a number of people who finally decided to evacuate and had a hard time getting out because they couldn't see where they were going. Very frightening when you know there's these huge flames and you're driving into, just a wall of smoke. And that's literally what it has been on some of the streets here. So we are kind of just watching, waiting on this block here. We have seen a number of homes lost. We've talked with a number of homeowners here, very still concerned about their homes, and they are just really hoping and thankful for the firefighters who are doing this tough work out here today.
Yeah, indeed.
Cara, quick question before we leave you. About an hour and a half ago, you spoke to people in a car. They said they were leaving because their home was about to light on fire. Did it, or was it saved?
You know what? From our vantage point, it looks like it may have been saved. I think that was one of the successes of the firefighters here. But, this isn't over yet, and it's tough for us to see completely up that hillside. We're not at that vantage point now, but the last time we saw it, it was still standing there.
All right.
Good news for them. All right.